What's up, Junior's Time? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all what happened when the hurricane dropped. But the hurricane didn't drop on us yet. I'm just gonna show you what happened like right now. I'll take you around on my bike, cause I got a good camera for it. Okay, guys. So I'll show you at the barn and everything. Okay, so yeah, cause this ain't a phone. Guys, I'm gonna cut the video off, and then I will show y'all what it is. I don't know if I could drive with like one hand, guys. Like, I don't know, like for real. Just gonna get my bike up. Guys, I'm gonna pause y'all for a minute so get my bike. Love y'all. So guys, this is what it looks at my barn. I'm gonna zoom in. Not too much. So you can see the whole barn, don't you? See the whole barn. Zoom in. Guys, that's what it is. So next place, driving on my bike, guys. On my bike, guys. Yeah, but next place. Okay. Next place. Next place, okay? What's up, Junior's Time? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all what the daggone hurricane or whatever you call it is, how bad it's hitting us already. Yeah, guys, this is how bad it's already hit us. And it's not that bad, but on the news, bro, it's gonna hit real bad. I already know it. I already know it's gonna hit bad. The skies really got really blurry. I'm gonna show y'all guys. Wait, if y'all can't see it, but yeah, you can see it perfectly. Sorry guys for blurriness. That is just nothing, guys. It's just so weird. See, guys, that's just so crazy. Like, too much crazy. Like, that just can't take it, bro. Like, man, just can't take it, bro. Yeah. Look how bad it is. Look our next door neighbor's yard out here. Yeah, yeah, guys. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I've done so far. Yeah, guys, this is what it's done so far. Yeah, guys, this is what it's done so far. I'm so scared of it, guys. Like, when I was so scared. This is what it's done. I don't know where else it's hitting. Like, it said on the news that it was destroying all other islands on like here. That's what it said on news, guys. So that's what it said. I'm not lying. That's what it said, guys. But yeah, that's what happened. Let me see. Yeah, guys. So, like, guys, I didn't notice this, but yeah. Guys, we'll start with